Right then, I hope you're doing well. What we're going to cover this week is a absolutely superb, innovative way of making use of your plums. I've just harvested these from my garden, absolutely got so many of them, and I'm just trying to work out a way of using them without any waste. I'm going to dehydrate the skin. Now the skin, as like grapes, contain a lot of goodness, not just fibre, it contains all the polyphenols, lots of antioxidants, flavonoids, what we call procyanidins, which are really good for you. So what I'm going to do is just remove the skin, scrape the flesh off, remove the stone, and then I'm going to use my Ninja air fryer to dehydrate the skin. And then that can be used as a sprinkle for decorative and top of ingredients, and it can be used to pack a flavour, but also for decorative purposes. This idea has actually come from Kirsty, so really good idea. So do check her channel out, really excellent channel, Kirsty Sunshine. It was also suggested as well to remove the skin, because when I covered the sorbet recipe, it had all the little bits in it, which wasn't always nice and got stuck in your teeth a little bit sometimes, but it was an amazing recipe. So please check out my plum and hojicha iced tea recipe. What I'm doing to experiment is actually I'm infusing some hibiscus tea, and I'm just going to create a plum and hibiscus tea sorbet experiment. Really can't wait to try that. Let's get going. So, I've just used my little Dymo labeler here, dried plum skin. And all you can do is sprinkle that on top of food for decorative purpose. This really does pack a punch. So all I'm going to do is just get my cup and just suspend a little caddy in there, tea caddy. Look at that. So I'm just going to try a little bit of this as well. Oh wow, that's where all the flavour is. That is absolutely amazing. Oh wow, that's lovely. Really looking forward to doing really innovative things like this. It's all about sustainable food, foraging, not wasting food. I'm really passionate about that. And this is really something different that I've not really seen before. So I really have to thank Kirsty. So really hope you enjoy the show. Please do subscribe, lots of love and passion going into this. Also, please check out my playlist for other recipes, which is from foraging. You can just see lots of other different plum recipes. Cheers everyone, stay healthy and take care.